When pairing two single motors and spirals together, you must use a left counterclockwise motor spiral with a right clockwise motor and spiral. Pairing motors also must include an even selection number and an odd selection number. Depending on the space between the motors and the width of the selection, this will determine if the numbers are consecutive, for example, 40 and 41 or 40 and 43. The default position for the left coil is 7 o'clock. The default position for the right coil is 5 o'clock. We will demonstrate how to create a wider selection where motors 40 and 43 are paired together. Remove the dividers by taking out these Phillips screws and lifting them off the tray. Then remove the coils you do not need. Pull out the coil adapter from the motor like so. To remove the motors, push the tab down and then lift them up out of their slots through the back and disconnect the wiring. We will now replace coils in selections 40 and 43 with 4-count coils. In this example, selection 40 has a left motor and must have a left counterclockwise coil. Selection 43 has a right motor and must have a right clockwise coil. Pull the coil adapter out from the motor. Twist the adapter counterclockwise to release it from the coil and lift it out. We will grab the left counterclockwise 4-count coil and place it in the adapter by placing the fins inside the coil and twisting the adapter counterclockwise to snap each part into place like so. Twist the adapter the same direction the motor will be turning the coil. This left coil should be placed at the 7 o'clock position. Line up the coil adapter to the motor like this and press it into place. We will now do the same thing with the right coil, removing the coil and adapter from the matching right clockwise motor. Twist the coil adapter counterclockwise and pull off from the coil. We will put the adapter on a new 4-count right clockwise coil. This time, twist the adapter clockwise to snap into place. Twist the adapter the same direction the motor will be turning the coil. This right coil should be placed at the 5 o'clock position. Line up the coil adapter to the motor like this and press it into place. Now, push the tray back into the cabinet. We will now pair the motors in service mode. Press this button to enter service mode. Since we removed 2 motors, we need to do a motor count. Find the motor count menu in service mode here. Now press Count Motors. On the motor map, we now see 41 and 42 are removed. Now go to the configuration screen and then select motor pairing. Press the keypad icon to select the first motor you would like to pair. Then select the other motor from the drop-down here. Press Add. To save, press the Save icon here. Go back to Ven mode so that the data can transfer to the control board. Now the Open Door menu will show motors 40 and 43 are paired and 41 and 42 are removed. Test the new selection in service mode by going to Diagnostics, then Test Vent. Press your new selection. Ours is selection 40.